Let's have a quick review about place value. Here on your notes, you have a page with two different numbers. We have a whole number and we have a whole number with a decimal. And we're going to just label these places with their place value. Okay, so when we have a whole number, we start at the far right. Remember, we can imagine that our imaginary decimal is right here. So the number directly, or the digit directly to the left, is the ones place. Oops, excuse me. It's in the ones place. Now, it is in the ones place, but the value of this 5 right here, its value is 5, or 5 ones. You can say it that way. Next, we have our 6. Our 6 is in the tens place. My hand's going to keep hitting that as I write sideways. My 6 is in the tens place. My 8 is in the hundreds. Now, the 0 is in the thousands. The 2 is in the 10,000s. The 4 is in the 100,000s. And the 3 is in the millions place. Now, all of these up here are naming the place. Now, if I asked you the value of this 8, you would tell me that its value is 800, or you could also say 800s. Okay, place is where it is located. The value is how much it is worth. Okay, some of you probably missed that on your pre-assessment, and that's okay. But just keep that in mind for when you come to your test at level 3 mastery. This is also going to be part of your level 1 quiz. You need to know the difference between the place, which is the location, and the value, which is how much it is worth. Okay, next we're going to move down to decimal place value. Okay, so we know that the digit directly to the left of the decimal is the ones place. So ones. Then we have our tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. This one only goes up to the 10,000s place. Okay, now let's talk about directly to the right. The digit directly to the right is the tenths. So tenths with a TH, hundredths with a TH, thousandths with the TH, and 10,000ths. A lot of people will want to call this first place to the right of the decimal the once place. And there's no such thing as the once place. It skips ones. Now remember, this up here is their place, but we will want to know their value. So there will be times when I'm going to say, okay, tell me the value of this digit right here, this one. And you will either tell me that the value for that one is, you could say, write it like this, that it is 1,000th, or you could even write it this way, 1,000th. But make sure you remember to put that TH at the end. Okay, if I asked you the value of this 4, you could say that the value of that 4 is 400, or you could say 400s. Please make sure you have this somewhere in your notes, that the place and the value are different. I'll say it one more time. The place is the location, and the value is how much it is worth.